Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahmudul Hassan Tuhin. I am a student of Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. My ID is 24115 I am from Meherpur. I had completed my SSC exam in 2020 with GPA 4.44 in Mujibnagar Government High School. Later, I have been complete my SSC exam in 2022 with GPA 5 in Milestone College, Dhaka. From my early age, I have been interested in technologies and computers. I enjoy learning new things, exploring modern technologies, and improving my knowledge through self learning. I am a programmer and software developer. I have comprehensive knowledge in language C, Java, SQL, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Google WordPress. I have also gained more skill like Python, WordPress, database management, and problem solving. As a CSE student, I am a multi-languages person like Bangla, English, Hindi. During my academic journey at Daffodil International University, I had many opportunities to attend many seminars. The seminar helped me to gain knowledge and more experience. As a developer, I love coding and problem solving and reading tech related articles. I also more like playing chess and watching movie and traveling with friends. My goal to become a skillful technologies professional who can contribute possibly a society through knowledge, innovation and contributes a learner. I am particularly interested in software development and DevOps engineering. I want to continuously improve my technical skill, work on the real world project, and contribute to the innovation solution in the future. I see myself to innovative and skill gain to DevOps engineering and software developer. Thank you for your valuable time and considerations. I sincerely appreciate these opportunities. Thank you.